peeps, and welcome back to my channel and to this tutorial of a pastel rainbow thing. I did like a pastel, like an iridescent duochrome pastel thing. I like to do some kind of pride makeup for Pride month. I don't know if this is coming up in Pride month, but at least I did it in Pride month because it is June as I'm doing this. I think I'm gonna name this Love is Love because I don't even know why this is a debate. Who somebody loves is none of your business. Like, stop being so engaged in things that just isn't, it's none of your concern. Just sit down, shut up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. I'm sorry there's some background noise. I'm gonna chat a bit about that during the video. There's actually something going on right now in my hometown. So if you want to know more about that, some gossipy, that's also gonna be in the video. I hope you like this. I really do. I like this. I think it's super pretty. I'm gonna wear this today. I'm going to my friends today, so I'm gonna wear this on the train ride and everything, and I love this. I think it's so pretty. But yeah, I think that was everything. Helicopters. It's been one day. It's been one day. But let's get into the look. Okay, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do this, which is exciting. I'm gonna start with the creepy cute. I think I'm gonna do like, I want this to be lighter. I don't want it to be as bright, but I still want to have a bit of depth. So I think I'm gonna keep it with the more pastel-y muted colors, but I need to deepen it up a bit. I'll show you along the way. But I'm gonna do like purple, blue, green, yellow, and then like a pastel-y orange, and then I think pink. And I think that this palette pretty much has what I'm going for. I think I might go with this kind of a green instead of this kind of a green. My dog is, I don't know, I have nothing for you. I'm gonna use a new brush. This is one of the Rephr brushes. I've been really enjoying these, and this is really small, so I think this is gonna be a good one. So I think I'll start with the light purple, and I'm just gonna go, I guess. Sweet, mommy can't help you right now. Yeah, Ricardo's coming home soon. Ricardo's coming home soon, and then you can go out, okay? Oh, hi, sweetie. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. So this is mainly gonna be pastel, and I'm also gonna take this on the lid, because I am gonna go over with some iridescent, like, duochrome shades, and I want them to really pick up off the color that they have underneath. So that's why I'm gonna need to rearrange myself. That's why I'm gonna take it on the lid as well, and then I'm just gonna deepen it up with something, and then I'm gonna go over with the iridescent shades. So let me just lay these first colors down. Okay, going into the blue now. And now I'm gonna take the Creep It Real. So I'm picking the pastel green over the lime green, because I think that that's gonna go more with the overall look that I am trying to achieve here. And this palette doesn't have a very light yellow, so I'm gonna... And I don't know if I'm gonna have a light yellow matte either. Am I? Maybe. But I think I'll end with that. Okay, now I'm gonna take Strawberry Milk and Third Eye. I'm gonna put those under my eye. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just basically gonna pat them under here. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, I definitely need to deepen this up just a little bit. Maybe I'll see, because I think I have, because I brought this one out. I should start at the beginning. I brought this one out. These are my Divina, well, not all of them, but these are some of my Divina ones. Look at this rainbow. So I'm gonna deepen these up a bit with these, but I think I'm gonna start with this one. I'm pretty sure this is Capri. Yeah, this is Capri. I'm really good at naming like shadows, like I know which is which. So I'm gonna start with this one in the inner corner, and then I'm just gonna pick a couple of up here and there, and I am gonna deepen this up a little bit. But I'll start with the Capri one. I'm gonna do this with a pencil brush. So I'm just picking some of this Capri And I'm gonna put that basically in my inner corners. This one really goes with the palette, like with the Creepy Cute. So if you were looking for a pastel yellow to go with the Creepy Cute palette, Divina has this Capri that really fits the color scheme. Okay, full on rainbow. Now I'm gonna deepen this up just a little bit, and I'm gonna use an even smaller brush. I'm gonna take an even smaller brush by Rephr. These stuff doesn't have any names. They are prototypes. I'm really sorry, but I do like the quality of the Rephr brushes, and these are coming, just so you know. So I think I'm gonna start with deepening up the purple, and I think I'm gonna pick maybe just something like this, or do I want to go even deeper? Maybe I'll choose this one, to be honest. This is Esme. I think I'll choose this one and just deepen this up a little bit, because this one isn't like bright, but I just want to deepen this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the iridescent shades on top, because I just want to have a bit of dimension. And I'm not too thorough when it comes to the lid, because like I said before, I'm putting something over. Maybe just like that. And then I am taking, ooh, what do I have that I want to have like with the blue? Because I think I'm not going to deepen up the green. I'm just deepening it up a bit here in the outer corner part. And I want something for the blue as well. I'm pretty sure I have more somewhere. Let me check. Okay, I found the blue. So I knew I had more blues somewhere. So these are also from Divina. I think I'm gonna pick maybe just this one, because it's bright, but I just want to deepen it up a little bit. I think this is Candy, yeah. I really like this Candy shade. I'm just gonna put a little bit here just to get a bit of definition. Okay, now I'm gonna take a flat definer brush, if I can find one. Here is one, and I am gonna take this color right here that is called Suki, and I'm just gonna deepen up the pink on the lower lash line with this one. And then I want something that's slightly a darker orange. Maybe I'll go with this one, Naivia. It's just slightly darker. I'm just gonna take a bit of that one and see if I can make this a bit more defined. Just so the iridescent shades has something to grab onto. I am gonna go and do the same on this eye, and then I'll come back and we can work with the iridescent shades because it's almost time. Okay, I am back. I am gonna, for ease of use, I'm gonna use the Aftershock highlighters by Cleonad, because then I have all the shades here. But to be fair, you could use any iridescent duochrome highlighters. These just happen to have all of the shades. So let me see which is which. This is yellow. This is let me see. This is pink. My God, I need to sort these out. Should I start? Oh, here is the blue, right? Yeah, this is the blue. This is the purple. Okay. So I'm starting. I need to swatch this to know. I'm starting with Breaker. This is the purple, and then I'm going to Current. That is the blue, and then I'm going to High Voltage, which is the green. This is the pink. Am I gonna do that under my eyes? You know what? I think I'll skip that and just do wiping it on my pants. Ugh, that was a bad idea. I'm gonna skip under the eyes, I think. Yeah, I'll skip under the eyes and do the yellow in the middle. So I am gonna use. I'll just use a teensy weensy brush in the corners, and I'll use a flat brush on the lid. Okay, so I'm starting with the purple. Am I gonna spray this, or am I gonna be fine? That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna spray it just to get it to be as opaque as possible. I'll just put the shades on and we'll see how it looks. That's actually really cool. I like that. I'm gonna put a bit more of the dark purple in the outer corner, if I can. Oh my God, so many palettes! Just to deepen up this part a little bit. It's always nice to have some depth and dimension in the outer part. I think that's pretty much it. Let me do the same on the other eye and then we can do the inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna take this one now that's called the Circuit, the very yellowy one. I'm gonna take that on the teensy weensy brush that I misplaced. Oh, here it is. Taking that one, I'm gonna spray that one as well. Just to be sure that it's not a lot of fallout and very opaque. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. But yeah, I think I'm skipping on the lower lash line because I don't think the iridescentness will really like benefit the look from having it on the lower lash line. I have to say, this is really pretty. I'm almost like, can you hear I'm almost like surprised? Should I have the iridescent under as well? Maybe I should. You know what? Let's do that. So I'm gonna use Fuse, which is the pinky one, or maybe Spark. Spark is even more pink. I'm just using a pink iridescent one. I do have one from Divina that's like really peach. Maybe I should have that one. Yeah, this is cool. Okay. Never mind what I said before. This is cool. Especially when I put some pink down under. It makes the pink pop a bit. Okay, let me get the one from Divina, because I have one from Divina that's pretty peach. It's in this palette right here, and it is called Sana. Don't ask, but it's right here. Don't ask. I'm just gonna put that here. Maybe I'll just use the same brush and a bit more of the Creepy Cute. What's going on underneath, like, my apartment? Just gonna blend in a bit more of the pink and the orange underneath, so I don't lose the, or like, in it. So I don't lose the colors. Sweetie! That turned out really cool. Go me! Okay, a little bit of fallout. Not that much, to be fair, because I did use a lot of setting sprays, which does prevent a lot of fallout. This is so cool. I am gonna do a little bit of liner, just a little bit, because I think I need something to ground this pastel look. I am wearing In a Nutshell by H&M Beauty, by the way. Love this color, it's one of my faves. So let me do a bit of liner, let me do some mascara. I'll also do something in my waterline. I'll be right back. Okay, let me see. I brought out two pencils. This is Puppy and Boots. They are too bright, so I'm gonna try and mix them with the white and see if I can get it to be like, I don't know, pastel-y. Kind of makes me think that I want to have pastel. If you hear like things in the background, there's been a huge explosion in Linköping in a building. I hope no one's like hurt. It's actually like where I used to live. It's pretty scary. Like nobody knows why the explosion has been, and I'm perfectly fine, but I could feel like when the explosion was, like my whole building was like rattling. But if you hear anything in the background, it's because of all the helicopters. I'm hoping that no one's really hurt, but just from looking at the pictures, it did not look that good. Wow, it was super scary, and like the animals were sleeping and they just woke up and just looked at me, and I'm like, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, it's pretty scary. I'm gonna go and read the newspaper after this online and see what's going on. Hi sweetie, do you also hear the helicopters? Yeah? Yeah, they're a bit weird. They're a bit weird. Okay, let's see how this works if I put some white over. Yeah, it does pastel it up a bit. I mean, you can't see shit because I'm the worst, but you see? It makes it a bit pastel. So that's good to know. If you want to pastel something up, just put a white pen over. That's really pretty. I'm gonna put some falsies on because I cannot live without falsies. Sue me. And I'm also gonna brush my hair. And I'm gonna read the newspaper and see what they say. I'll come right back. Okay, the lashes are on. I used the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I think that these really fit with this look. I did read up a bit about the explosion. They think right now that it's like an actual bomb, which is pretty scary. I don't know if you know this if you don't live in Sweden, but we've had some terrorist attacks, and I'm surely hoping that this is an accident and not a terrorist attack in my hometown, like 3 blocks away from where I live. back breaking a sweat just thinking of it. It's freaking scary times we are living in. Don't forget to hug your close ones and tell them you love them, because Jesus Christ, you never know. You never know. It's a crazy world. I looked at the pictures from the explosion and the whole front of the houses are demolished, and it's actually the house next to where I used to live. It's so crazy. Super crazy. But yeah, hope that it's nothing super serious. Fingers crossed. Who knows? Crazy times. But yeah, the look is finished. I really love this look. And yeah, I love doing something for Pride Month. I hope this comes up in Pride Month. If nothing else, at least I did it in Pride Month. And I did something pastel this year. I really love it. And you've been asking for something pastel, so 2 birds, 1 stone, here we are. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to be subscribed, please do. I upload 5 videos a week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!